Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe for raw vegan lettuce tacos. We're going to be making a taco meat out of walnuts and also a salsa with mango and kiwi. Let's get started. We're going to start by adding some walnuts and pumpkin seeds to a food processor, and then we're going to grind them up to get our taco meat base. Next, we're going to add some spices, some oregano, black pepper, a little bit of ground cumin, some chili powder for a bit of spice, some chili flakes for a little more spice, some cloves, a little bit of sea salt, and some olive oil, which is optional. We're going to process that until a nice crumbly meat is formed. It should stick together a little bit in your hand. You can also add a little bit of water if you want it to be a little bit more sticky. And next we're going to transfer it to a mixing bowl, and then we're going to add a little bit of sriracha just to give it an even more sticky texture and a little bit depth of flavor. Now we're going to move on to the kiwi salsa, which is actually made with kiwi and mango. We're going to start by peeling 2 kiwis, and then we're going to dice them finely. After the kiwis have been chopped up, we're going to take 1 mango. We're also going to peel it, take the pit out, and then we're going to also dice it about the same size as the kiwi. And of course, we're going to finish off the salsa with a little bit of red onion, very, very finely chopped. And we're also going to add some jalapeno. If you're really sensitive to heat, you can skip the jalapeno, but I really like the way it plays off the sweetness of the fruit. And finally, we're going to add the juice of 1 lime and a little bit of fresh cilantro and some sea salt to taste. And that finishes off our kiwi and mango salsa. Next, we're going to make a super simple guacamole. We're going to take 1 avocado, and then we're going to juice 1 lime into it and add 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Then we're going to mash it all up until it's nice and smooth. My avocado here, that's the ripest one that I could get, so hopefully you have a softer avocado that's easier to mash than I did. But just get it nice and smooth as you can. And then we're going to add in a little bit of finely diced red onion. Dice it as small as you can because I think that that will give you a nice texture to the guacamole. To assemble the tacos, go ahead and just add layers of the taco meat, some of the salsa, and the guacamole. And then other toppings that are great on these tacos are fresh tomatoes, vegan sour cream, more jalapeños, and cilantro. Also, if you don't have romaine, you can use lots of other leaves to make the lettuce tacos. You can use cabbage, you can use collard leaves, you can use a large chard leaf. Almost any big flat leaf will make a delicious raw vegan taco. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this raw vegan lettuce taco recipe, please subscribe to my channel. I have tons more vegan and raw vegan recipes just like this one on my channel. I even have a whole raw vegan playlist, which I'll link to in the description box below. You guys have a beautiful day, and thanks for watching.